sleep in my car once a week to get this cleaning job done. Stay tuned if you want to know more about what I do and how this works out. What's good, y'all? Welcome to QDW Cleaning. It's your boy Mike. Yes, I do sleep in my car once a week to get to this client's house done. It's an older couple, and I come from my graveyard shift to the gym to wash up a little bit, eat a little bit, and boom, now I'm here. Stay tuned for some more. If you want any cleaning service, stay tuned for that. And if you want to see how detailed I get on this, well, it's gonna be in first person, so you'll be up close and personal. So let's get it. What's up, guys? So voiceover Mike here. I just want to say I'm gonna be going through everything on my chest, point of view, windows, cleaning, and it's gonna be sped up super fast. This is a nice view, but I'm also gonna be voicing over some other things. So stay tuned and let's get to work, baby. Grind. So as you guys saw, I just got done with the windows. I do the outside and the inside. The small windows, the big windows, I have the big squeegee, small squeegee. Both sizes are amazing to get small areas and big areas. But here, as you see, I'm doing the counter. I did move everything off the counter onto the other one, and you'll see me move it back. But first, I wipe down all the crumbs and dust and everything onto the ground because that will be getting cleaned up as well. Start from top to bottom, of course. And then I spray the solution from the side panels to the counter to underneath the counter as well. You guys see me getting in there. You guys see me using my muscle mass and everything. So give Mike some credit. But let's keep on working and getting this job done. As you see, I'm moving everything back to the counter, and every counter I do clean, I move the stuff out the way so I could get every part of it. Yes, a little bit more time, but you're cleaning things properly and the client will love you way more. Trust me. But also, guys, go ahead and comment anything you want to comment. Ask me questions, how I clean stuff, why I clean stuff, what I clean stuff with, any video ideas you want me to do in the future. And if you guys do like the content I am putting out here, please hit that thumbs up, hit that like button, baby. Subscribe, hit the bell right next to it, comment anything. I'm here to help in any type of way. Much love, and let's get back to cleaning because you see Mike going in hard. Enjoy this. guys saw, I got done with the counters. I filled up the bucket. I already vacuumed the floor. And this is what I do. I lay down a whole thing of water and solution that I put into the bucket. I first mop it up, kind of spread it everywhere, dry it up a little bit. That's with one microfiber pad, and then I get another one, and then I actually try to dry it as much as possible. I might do another one if it's a little bit too soaked to dry it up, and that's because I want to make sure every stain is out for one, and for two, it's as clean as possible because this kitchen gets used up like a hound dog. So here I'm just letting you guys know that I finished the whole kitchen. I'm going to be taking some clips of the floor I do on the living room and some other stuff. I will get back to you guys when I hit the bedroom doing the counter and the glass window and the toilet. So stay tuned for some more. Much love, and I appreciate you guys to the fullest. Let's keep on grinding, baby. So your boy got done with the living room, the kitchen, the hallway, one of the other rooms. Now I'm in the last room. I'm doing the windows, the counters. I'm gonna clean the toilet. I'm gonna clean the floor. And from there, I'm gonna pick up a few more things, some trash, and then get ready to put stuff away. But I just want to show you guys the process of my clean. This is a crazy clean because I'm only off about like 2-3 hours of sleep. So it is unfortunate, but I believe this is what I got to do to get to where I want to be, and it's showing what I'm possible of doing. So just keep on striving, y'all. I hope you guys like the video. Of course, comment down anything you have, any concerns, anything I could do better, anything you want to see. Much love, and let's get back to the video to wrap it up. Let's get it. you saw how I put my stuff back, how we wrapped it up. We're probably gonna go back into the office, break down the time, break down the hours, what I did, how much I get paid for it and all. And you guys will know more information on that in a bit. And here I am, a couple days later, hair messed up because I rolled out of bed from my graveyard job and a horrible background. Yes, and just forgive me. You probably see my dog right here and stuff. But usually that job takes me about 2.5 hours to 3 hours cleaning up and stuff. But they had a special event going on for this next week for Valentine's Day. So I made sure I detailed every single spot, every single place. And I want to make sure it smelled amazing. But it took me about 4 hours. I get paid $150 a week for that job. So just to let you guys know, that's $600 a month. And I only drive about 15-20 minutes from where I'm at to there, but I do have a hefty drive back home, probably around like 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, just depends on traffic. But other than that, thank you guys for sticking around and hearing me out, seeing what I do on this day where I do sleep in my car once a week for this job. And you gotta really sacrifice what you want to do in this world and really pursue and show yourself what you're capable of doing, and eventually you'll get to where you want to be. But much love. Subscribe, hit the bell right next to it, give that thumbs up a like, and comment down anything you want to hear, any videos you want to see in the future, what I use for my cleaning and all. Much love. You guys already know the deal. It's grind time, baby. Let's get it. We out.